Welcome to this beginner's guide to Python. Today, we'll explore lists and tuples, two essential ways to store collections of data. Let's start with the basics. In Python, lists and tuples are sequences. They hold multiple items in order, like numbers or strings, and allow you to access them by position. First, let's talk about lists. Lists are mutable, meaning you can change them after creation. They're defined with square brackets. To create a list, use square brackets and separate items with commas. For example, fruits equals apple, banana, cherry. The square brackets tell Python that this variable contains multiple items. Access elements using their index in square brackets. Print fruits 0 to get apple. We start with a list containing apple. This code will assign orange to index 1. The list now contains apple, or printing it shows the updated list.
And Python prints apple.
And Python prints apple. Lists are mutable, which means we can change their values. For example, let's change the second element from banana to grapes. We simply assign the new value to the index position, and now it's updated. Now banana has been replaced with grapes. Visual new list output: apple, grapes, mango, orange. We can also add new items using the append function. The new fruit is added at the end of the list.
Now let's look at another data structure called a tuple.
Tuples are similar to lists, but they use round brackets instead of square brackets. A tuple stores multiple values just like a list. But tuples have one important rule. Tuples cannot be changed after they are created. So let's compare lists and tuples. Lists are mutable, meaning they can be changed, while tuples are immutable. Use lists for dynamic data and tuples used for fixed data. This means tuples are immutable. Lists are useful when data needs to change.
In the next class, we will learn dictionaries in Python. Subscribe for more Python lessons. Hello everyone, let's talk about YouTube's key features. This play button starts the video. Click like and comment to engage and share with the arrow icon. Your feedback helps us grow. Thanks for watching.